That was such a long movie.
Yes, and I am very, very hungry now.
Me too. Actually, I'm starving.
Starving? What does that mean?
It means I'm really, really hungry. People say this a lot. It's like super hungry.
Oh, not really dying from hunger?
No, not really dying, just very hungry. It's an exaggeration.
I understand. I am starving too.
Let's go to McDonald's. It's fast and easy.
Good idea. But what is drive-thru?
Oh, drive-thru means you don't get out of the car.
Really? We order from the car?
Yes, you order at a speaker. Then you get your food at a window. It's very common in America, especially at night.
I see. It sounds convenient.
Okay, we're here. What do you want?
I can read the menu, but I don't know how to say it.
Don't worry. You don't need perfect sentences. Just be simple and clear.
What is combo?
Good question. A combo is a burger, fries, and a drink together. It's the most common thing to order in America.
Oh, so I don't order them one by one?
You can, but a combo is easier and sometimes cheaper.
Welcome to McDonald's. What can I get for you?
Hi, can I get a Big Mac combo, please?
Sure. What size?
Medium, please.
I want a burger with no sauce. How do I say that?
Just say plain. It means no ketchup, no mustard, no pickles, nothing on it.
Plain. Okay.
And one cheeseburger. Plain, please.
Okay. One plain cheeseburger. Anything else?
I'm still very hungry. Can I make the combo bigger?
Yes, you can upsize it. That means you change from medium to large.
Upsize. I like that word.
Can we upsize the Big Mac combo to large?
No problem.
Oh, I want one more small burger. Do I need to start again?
No. Just say add. Like add one more item.
Add?
Can we add one McChicken?
Sure. And what drinks?
What do you want to drink?
Sprite, please.
One Coke and one Sprite.
Oh, sorry. We're out of Sprite right now.
Out of? What does that mean?
It means they don't have it right now. Not forever. Just tonight.
Oh, so I can choose something else?
Yes, exactly.
Then, Fanta, please?
Make that one Fanta instead, please.
Got it. So that's one large Big Mac combo, one plain cheeseburger, one McChicken, one Coke, and one Fanta. Is that right?
It talks so fast. I can't follow.
It's okay. Just listen and check in your mind. I'll help you. Yes, that's correct.
Great. Please wait a moment. I'll prepare your order now. Here you go. Have a good night.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, let's eat here. I'm too hungry to wait.
Me too. That was interesting.
How do you feel? Was it hard?
A little, but I learned a lot.
Like what?
Starving means very hungry. Combo is burger, fries, and drink. Plain means no sauce. Upsize means make it bigger. Add means I want more. And out of means they don't have it now.
Perfect. You got it all.
Thank you for helping me. Next time, can I order by myself?
Of course, you can do it. You already know all the words.
This is good. And learning English in real life is good too.
That's the best way to learn. Just do it. And don't be afraid.
I'm not afraid anymore. I'm just starving.
Me too. Let's eat. What a fun night. Lisa and I were starving after that long movie, so we went to McDonald's. In our story, we learned some really useful words like combo, plain, upsize, add, and out of. These are words you'll hear all the time at fast food restaurants. The best part? Lisa practiced ordering in a real situation. That's how you get comfortable with English. Just try it in real life. If you enjoyed our drive-thru adventure, please subscribe to our Daily English channel. Give us a thumbs up if this helped you learn something new, and share it with a friend who wants to practice English too. Your support helps us make more fun stories like this. Thank you so much for watching, and see you next time.